Hi, today in front of me Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by press to the down volume button, hold and press the button, be sure that your screen is turned off. We can activate the flashlight, also we can turn it off. If you want to change this option, for example, to use any application, we should first open the settings, scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, tap the quick action section, and now we can, for example, record something, open the camera app, Facebook, or open any another application. For example, let's open the Play Store. So now just let's lock the device, press and hold down volume button, just use your unlock method, and we can see that the Play Store is activated. So that's it. That's how to customize quick launch on our Vivo device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.